Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sorkar Jilla Kashpotu Yayong Arajar Posan, Clarai Benchnano, the Addict Treatment Facility, Kanaman Sumar Nongdih Drok, Ïohkem, Nakilinti Gisingking, but the Kikin Donkin Shrad. Yakinigarai la shim jingalang blokot penlong do menteri ke Sorkar Jilla, ubakmi igatran social welfare bapo lingdo, hakabalai shim bentalang da Director General of Police kong ida shisha nongrang, Mission Director Jonga Drug Reduction Elimination and Action Mission, uba Francis G. Karchiyang, USP ke Anti Narcotic Task Force, Ujakpal Singh Dhanwa, bakwe officer ke Sorkar Jilla. Uba polo itu bahagian addict treatment facility keban suppletion ha sauli on sebu iki psychiatrist ki counselor ki jingtia baki wegi tiar bana jing Sumar ki Nongdih Drok.
Well, the number of these addicts, as I have explained in the last briefing, has come down, but then it's still a major challenge because you have all age groups and especially preteen, teenagers, and even adults who are regularly engaged in either taking drugs or involved in sale of narcotics. We already have funds available with Dream Mission and also funds that are made available to us through the Ministry of Social Justice. And that apart, there are also components from the Health Department to supplement our efforts. So in terms of funding, there is no shortage at all. In terms of manpower, we have identified that currently we have about 5 trained psychiatrists who have just passed out and therefore whose service could be immediately utilized in the center. Also, our Dream Mission Director has had an interaction with the government of Kerala, and there are a number of trained psychiatrists and counselors who are also willing to partner with us. The focal point of the meeting was to ensure that the number of drug addicts that are picked up from the streets and from various parts of the city now do not have any facility for immediate treatment, detoxification, and counseling. So, in order to facilitate those facilities to these addicts, today's meeting resolved that we will push forward, as was discussed in the last meeting of the Dream Project, for the creation of what is called the ATF, Addict Treatment Facility. In this ATF, we will have trained psychiatrists, we will have beds and accommodation facility, and also we will have counseling for the addicts. The idea being that once we complete with their treatment, both detoxification and counseling, they should be fit to join mainstream society. So a major decision that was taken today was that we will create this facility at Sauli, where there already was a COVID center which has all the wherewithal, and we just need to supplement whatever is lacking in that center. Manpower we will be providing, and in the next 2 days, a team to be led by the mission director of the Dream Mission will visit this facility at Sauli in order to study the preparedness at the ground level, and they will report back to me once that is completed. But the decision that has been taken in principle is to go forward for the setting up of this ATF. Meanwhile, we have procured 9 trained dogs who will be part of our dog squad. These 9 dogs have now been sent for training by professionals, and once that is completed, they will also join the state ANTF in assisting us to detect narcotics and drugs entering Meghalaya.